Hello everybody, my name is Michael and I'm making this particular recording to show off a program I made called the Wireless Network Scanner. This is the Visual Studio view of the chunk of Xaml that I built to handle this program. And then here's everything that runs in the PowerShell side. Everything is basically self-contained in this script here. I'm going to go ahead and close this terminal and then reopen it. And go ahead and load. Probably gonna take a minute for that to load actually. I don't know why it takes so long. Anyway, while that's loading. This will populate, hang on a second. This is gonna populate all of the wireless interfaces in this combo box here. And then the MAC address, the interface index, and if it's currently connected to an SSID, it'll show up right there, and then it'll populate some of that information here. Once it's done loading, I'll launch the utility. It doesn't always take this long, but it's done. So run the command there, and it loads all the C# classes and the PowerShell classes and everything, and then here's all the information. So I'm currently connected. There's the SSID and all that stuff. And I want to disconnect, and sends a message there. Now, I'm not exactly sure why it only shows like 2 of them at first, but you hit the refresh button and then the other ones pop up. And then you can click that one, or you really click any of them. And if it doesn't have a profile, then as soon as you click it, it'll ask for the SSID or the passphrase. But if you have a profile in the system and you click connect, it'll just connect. Anyway, that's a short little video. I didn't want to make it too complicated, but yeah, I guess I could go over some of the internal components of the GUI here. So I'll move this over. I took a lot of inspiration from J.C. Walker's Wi-Fi profile management project, which is located at that link on GitHub. I threw them into a class within a function, and then these all touch on the WLAN API DLL files. I didn't write all this original code. That was I modified some of it, but I didn't write this originally. It was all J.C. Walker. Anyway, some of those classes get used down here. Most of these classes are for the GUI. There's the Xaml that I showed you in the Visual Studio side, and then the passphrase thing. And then this parses the net sh command type stuff, and gives you information for what type of network it is, the information and whatnot. And we go ahead and collapse that. And then interface object will combine one of the classes that was in the C# side, and then it'll combine it with get net adapter, and then the WLAN interface. I think that parses net sh rather. And then this class right here basically does all the work. This is a function that I saw somewhere on Reddit a number of times. And then a number of the functions that J.C. Walker has in his module, which they're all like up here. I kind of like pieced them all together into one main class. All these classes are kind of necessary to be able to do a bunch of stuff with the GUI. But yeah, so I don't have. I'm connected now. I'll hit disconnect, and the toast message comes up, and I hit refresh, and bam, all the networks are there. And then the way this works is it'll scan everything, and then it'll sort. It doesn't find it in this strength order, but it will collect everything with a refresh, and then it will sort it all by the strings. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.